m'appelle Grace Ingabire, la PDG de RICTA, une organisation chargée de gérer le registre de noms de domaine au Rwanda. Je tiens d'abord à remercier la FNIC, le registre de la France, pour le soutien apporté pour organiser cet atelier de 2 jours de renforcement des capacités des registraires locaux en compétences essentielles en affaires et en marketing afin d'améliorer leur approche commerciale et par conséquent favoriser l'adoption de la présence en ligne au Rwanda avec le nom du domaine RW.
My name is Carla. I work for EJ Limited. EJ Limited will provide you with domain name registrations, hosting, website development, software development, and other major services. I'm here for a 2-day training powered by RICTA, where we learn more about digital marketing skills, where I got a chance to learn more about AI tools. For example, like Gamma, which helped me with my today's presentation, and it's going to help me with how I work, my daily work, and it's going to help me to improve how I serve my customers.
I'm Jamin Muson from Broadband Systems Corporation PLC. We are here for 2 days training empowered by RICTA. So actually the training, it was really impressive, and also the training was really a good tool for us, especially vis-a-vis with the digital market. So we learned more about artificial intelligence, and also we learned more about usability of it. So currently we have, I can say that we have a package that we are going to utilize within our daily lives vis-a-vis with the outside market by empowering our customers and also by expanding our visibility outside there on the market.
I'm Leila Ingabire, and I work with Airways Limited. We provide hosting and domain hosting services. Taken a 2 days training to learn more and engage more on more of digital services, and this will enable me to empower my customers, explain more on their need to host in Rwanda, to have a .rw domain, and how to use AI tools. Yeah, and this will enable me to widely be capable to attain more customers on the platform.
Yes, hello, my name is Moses Kemibaro, and I've been here in Kigali for the last 2 days facilitating a digital marketing training for the .rw registrars under the auspices of RICTA. And I have to tell you, it's been a fantastic experience. We've gone through so much interesting content. We've talked about social media, website optimization, how to create great content, and most importantly, giving them a complete digital marketing strategy that hopefully is going to help them sell more websites and more services associated with the .rw extension here for Rwanda. There's so much potential in terms of the potential to grow the domain space in Rwanda under .rw. What I was able to pick up is a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of opportunities for us to share what are the possibilities in terms of how they're marketing and positioning the .rw namespace in this country. And quite honestly, I think after these 2 days and from what I've seen with the participants, hopefully they will be able to make a massive impact in how they go about promoting and actually selling the .rw domain names as the registrars under RICTA. I'm also very grateful for RICTA for inviting me to come and do this particular facilitation, and also for AFNIC, who have been very graciously sponsoring and supporting this particular initiative. And hopefully out of this process and the training that we facilitated, we should see a significant uptake and appreciation of the .rw domain name within this region in Africa and also globally.